Welcome to DKG, The King of Games YouTube channel. Kumusta kayo guys? Matagal tayong di nagkita at dahil dyan, bubuksan natin tong pinaka-coldest na 25th anniversary rarity collection ng Yu-Gi-Oh! TCG. Christmas is in the air guys, so stay tuned para sa ating next giveaway guys. So subscribe muna kayo sa ating YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video guys and be a subscriber of DKG guys. So before we start, shoutout ko muna lahat ng fans ng Yu-Gi-Oh! TCG dyan guys, lalong-lalo na yung mga sumusuporta at tumatangkilik sa ating Shopee store guys. Thank you so much! Without further ado, let's begin guys. Let's try to find the Ash Blossom New Rarity Collection. Here we go guys, 25th Anniversary Rarity Collection. Oh my goodness, so sabik na talaga akong buksan siya guys. Dahil naman, napakadaming bagong rarity dito guys. So nandito na almost lahat ng staples na kailangan nyo sa every deck nyo guys. Saan ka pa makakita ng pinakamagandang booster box this 2023 guys. Oh my goodness. Eto na guys. So meron tayong 5 cards per pack siya guys ha. Sa isang pack niya contains 5 siya guys, 5 cards. And 24 pack siya sa isang booster box. So ang dami niyo makukuha dito. May Platinum Rare, Ultimate Rare, Collector's Rare, 20th Anniversary Rare pa, Quarter Century Rare. So talaga namang madami. Ito na ang ating unang pakagad guys. Stay tuned sa ating next giveaway guys. Thank you so much. So we got Danger. Ito guys Danger Jackalope. Oh my goodness, Danger Jackalope. And we got Lone Fire Blossom, ang ating Platinum Rare ba to? Look at that artwork guys. Platinum Rare to guys. So we got Egyptian God Slime din. Ooh, right on the bat, Baronet de Fleur. Oh my goodness, Baronet de Fleur? Tama ba guys? De Fleur ba? De Fleur, what? Oh my goodness. And we got Celine, Queen of the Master Magician. That's pretty much it guys para sa ating unang pack. Let's go for our next pack guys. So dito natin lagay yung mga nakukuha natin. Second pack tayo guys ha. Oh my goodness, ang bango talaga pag fresh from the pack guys. We got Galaxy Eyes Afterglow Dragon Box. Oh, what's this? We got Preparation of Rites. Oh my goodness, ang ating Quarter Century Rare. Oh my goodness, Quarter Century Rare na Preparation of Rites. So ang ganda niya guys. Apat ata na ganito ang makukuha nyo or dalawa sa isang booster box guys. So we got Small World, very good card guys, Small World. We got Ultimate Rare, Collector's Rare. Mukhang Ultimate Rare to na Compulsory Evacuation Device. Oh my goodness, ang ganda guys. Oh my goodness. We got Shadal Shizim. Let's go guys for our third pack. Kaya guys, nakapagbukas na ba nito? Hopefully bago matapos tong year end, makapagbukas tayo ng ibang set pa ng booster box ng Yu-Gi-Oh guys. Oh my goodness. Sa mga nagtatanong, Yu-Gi-Oh! TCG po yung ina-unbox natin. Thank you so much. We got ultra rare na, super rare pala. Super rare na Fallen of Albas. We got secret rare Dimensional Barrier guys. Very good card. We got number 100 Numeron Dragon. Oh my goodness. We got Dingirsu, the Orcus. And Time Thief Redoer na super rare. That's pretty much it for our pack. Next, move on to our next pack guys. And we got, right on the bat guys, we got Pot of Extravagance. So ang dami nyo makukuha mga pots dito guys. Prosperity, Extravagance, ano pa ba meron dito? Desires, mga ganyan. Talaga namang maganda yung set na to kasi sa mga nagsisimula ng TCG na Yu-Gi-Oh guys, ito yung magandang box na bilhin nyo kasi nga, andito na lahat ng starting na staples nyo na pwede nyo gamitin for every deck, I mean guys. Pot of Extravagance. And look at that guys, Infinite Impermanence na Secret Rare. Oh my goodness. We got another, first card pala natin to. Called by the Grave na ultra rare. We got Chaos Space, very good card. Galaxy Eyes Full Armor Photon Dragon. So, nakita nyo guys, ang dami nyo makukuha ng staple, nakakailang staple na tayo. Meron tayong Baronet, meron tayong Infinite Impermanence, Dimensional Barrier. Oh my goodness, meron pa tayong Called by the Grave. We got another Compulsory Evacuation Device, but eto guys, super rare na lang to. We got Blue Eyes Abyss Dragon. Ang sexy ni Blue Eyes Abyss Dragon dito. And we got, what's this? Collector's Rare na Tri-Brigade Revolt. Collector's Rare to guys, no? Mga ka-DKG, Collector's Rare ba to? Don't forget to comment down below, ha? We got Evenly Match. Sabi sa inyo, ang dami nyo makukuha staple dito, guys. We got Evenly Match and Cyber Angel Benten. Oh my goodness. Pangilang packs na ba natin to? 6 ba? Tama? If I'm not mistaken, 6 na ata to. We got a very good card din guys. Mad Dragon of the Swamp. Nightmare Unicorn. So, ang ganda ng artwork ng Nightmare Unicorn, guys. So, tapos, Secret Rare pa. Oh my goodness. Spellbook of Judgment, Harpy's Featherstorm, and Borload Savage Dragon. So, ito, isa sa mga magagandang synchro to, guys, na makukuha nyo din dito sa 25th Anniversary Rarity Collection, guys. Oh my goodness. Imagine kung gaano kadaming cards, foil pa makukuha nyo dito, mga ka-DKG. We got Forbidden Droplet, another staple, guys. We got Summon Limit, very good card. Ooh, we got Collector's Rare na Pollen of Albas. Oh my goodness. Pollen of Albas na Collector's Rare. We got Junk Speeder, and we got the Wind Channeler. That's pretty much it sa ating card, guys. Oh my goodness. Can we pull Baronen na 25th or Ash Blossom, guys? Oh my goodness. So nakakaisa pa lang tayo, tama ba? Nakakaisa pa lang tayo. We got number 100 Numeron Dragon na super rare. We got Mask Hero Dark Lord. So napakaganda talaga nung box na to, guys. Oh my goodness. Secret rare po. And we got Iris, the Iris Sword Soul, Code Talker Inverted, and Downward Magician. That's pretty much it, guys, for that pack. Let's move on for another pack. Next nating bubuksan is Age of Overlord. Overlord ba? Tama ba? Ayun. Then stay tuned din na kasi nandun yung next na giveaway natin before matapos tong year, guys. So sana supportahan nyo pa ni si DKG sa 2024. Thank you so much, guys. Anyway, we got Dark Ruler No More. So another staple, guys. We got Ice Dragon Prison na ano ba to? Platinum Rare to, guys. So makita nyo yung pinagkaiba ng Secret Rare at Platinum Rare. So ito. Makintab din yung border na dito, guys. Tapos, iba yung dito niya sa pangalan niya. Platinum Rare siya. We got Path of Desires, ang tulad ng sabi ko kanina. We got Lone Fire Blossom and Dogmatica Punishment. Let's move on for our next pack. We got Artemis, the Magistus Moon Maiden. And we got Triple Tactics Talent, ang ating another na quarter century rare. Oh my goodness. Look at the artwork, guys. Triple Tactics Talent. Oh my goodness. Pangalawa na natin tong ano, guys, 25th century rare na quarter century rare pala. I mean, we got Magical Fusion, we got Fred the Blood, Dragostapelia, very good card, and Herald of Arclight. Ang dami natin makukuha ang foil cards, guys, and lalong-lalo na yung mga upgraded na staples natin na talaga namang mura, guys, compared sa price nila dati. Sa mga nagbabalak na mag-TCG dyan, guys, don't forget na i-check ang ating Shopee store, guys. Baka may magustuhan kayo. Thank you so much. We got Magicalized Fusion. We got Egyptian Boss, the Winged Dragon of Ra Spear mode na secret rare, guys. And look at the artwork, guys. Egyptian Boss. We got Infinite Impermanence na ultra rare. We got Eldritch, the Golden Lord. We got Ghost Bell and Haunted Mansion. Si Ghost Bay. Si Ghost Bay. Okay, guys, ano ang favorite na cards nyo dito? Anong favorite na staple nyo, guys, sa buong game? Sa buong deck nyo, guys? Pollen of Albas, super rare. We got Cherubini, Ebon Angel of the Burning Abyss na secret rare. We got Striker Dragon. We got Nightmare Unicorn na ultra rare pero alternate art, guys. So iba yung art niya kanina. We got Ice Barrier. Ang dami nating makukuhang cards talaga dito, mga ka-DKG. Grabe. We got Reasoning, very good card, guys. Reasoning. We got Ghost Trick, Angel of Mischief. Ghost Trick, Angel of Mischief na secret rare. So we got Nightmare Unicorn again. Nadir Servant, very good card. Inspector Border. Eto, guys, ano ko lang sa inyo to. Pang ilang beses ko nang binabasa to, pero ang hirap niyang i-explain pag gagamitin mo siya sa kalaban. Cannot be normal summon set or special summon if you control a monster. Neither player can activate monster effects unless the number of monster effects that player has previously activated that turn is less than the number of monster card types currently on the field. Rituals, Fusion, Synchro, XYZ, Pendulum, and Link. If an effect's activation was negated, it still count towards for that turn. Only count effects that were activated while this face up on the field is monster. Oh my goodness. Naintindihan nyo, guys? Tagi-tagi sa lang atang effect depende sa type ng monster. Ganun ba? So enlighten me guys sa comment ha, kung tama o mali yung explanation ko kay Inspector Corvo. Ang hirap niya talagang ipaliwanag, lalo na pagka ginagamit namin siya sa video. Anyway, we got another Egyptian God Slime guys. We got Wind, the Wind Channeler. We got Fossil Dig. Triple Tactics Talent guys, very good card. And we got Predaplat, Dragostapelia na super rare. That's pretty much it guys for that pack. Let's move on for another pack. We got Baron and the Floor na super rare guys ha, Baron. We got Tour Guide from the Underworld, oh my goodness. Tour Guide from the Underworld. Summon Limit. We got Compulsory Evacuation Device and another Cherubini, Ebon Angel of the Burning Abyss. Pero super rare lang siya. We got Dimension Shifter, oh my goodness. Dimension Shifter na super rare. We got another Numeron Dragon. Pangilang beses na natin nakukuha si Numeron Dragon guys. We got Dogmatica Ecclesia, the Virtus. Virtuous ba? Virtus. We got Ash Blossom and Joy Spring. Oh my goodness. So kailangan ko rin tong card na to. Ash Blossom, Joy Spring. Upgraded siya sa ating hand traps guys. We got Eldritch, the Golden Lord. Eldritch, the Golden Lord. So anong mas gusto nyong trap deck guys? Stand deck ba tawag sa mga trap deck? Eldritch or Labyrinth guys. Don't forget to comment down guys kung ano mas preferred nyong gamitin, si Eldritch or si Labyrinth. We got Focus Focus. We got Tri-Brigade Revolt. Change of Heart. Oh my goodness, na Platinum Secret Rare. Oh my goodness, ang ganda guys oh. Platinum Secret Rare. Oh my goodness, Change of Heart. We got another Tour Guide. Galaxy Eyes, Full Armor Photon Dragon, and another Eldritch, the Golden Lord. So, zombie na tayo dito guys. Ina-apocalypse na tayo ng zombie apocalypse dahil puro Eldritch na nakukuha natin. We got, speaking of Eldritch guys, another Eldritch na naman no. Pero nakaupo naman ngayon. Ano mas gusto yung artwork nila guys? Yung nakaupo, yung nakatayo. Anyway, we got Eldritch. We got Compulsory Evacuation Device na 25th collection. Nakuha din natin to ah. Tama ba? Mamaya think lang natin yan. We got Fossil Dig. We got Change of Heart na Collector's Rare guys oh. Oh my goodness, Change of Heart. And we got Effect Veiler, very good hand trap guys. Compulsory Evacuation Device. Or ano lang nakuha natin nun? Collector's Rare lang ata siya guys no. Anyway, we got Nadir Servant, we got Blackwing, Simon, the Poison Wind, Path of Prosperity, very good card guys, Path of Prosperity, Change of Heart, and Bingirso, the Orcus of the Evening Star. Oh my goodness. Let's move on for our next pack. May ano pa ata tayo dito? 6 or 4 na packs guys. We got Danger Jackalope again, we got Mad Dragon of the Swamp, Eldritch the Golden Lord, Artemis the Magistus Moon Maiden. Oh my goodness, ang ating collector's rare. Ang ganda guys oh. Artemis the Magistus Moon Maiden, and another Nightmare Unicorn. Oh my goodness. We got 24 packs na lang guys ah. Out of 24, 4 packs na lang ang meron tayo. Oh my goodness. We got Chaos Space, Blue Eyes Abyss Dragon again na secret rare. We got Collector's Ultimate Rare ata to guys. Number 100, Numeron Dragon. So pangilan na best na natin nakukuha si Numeron Dragon guys. We got Ice Dragon Prison. Oh my goodness. And uy, may isa pa pala. Summon Limit guys. Huwag natin kalimutan si Summon Limit. That's pretty much it guys for that pack. Last 3 packs na lang tayo guys ah. Oh my goodness. Guys, bigyan nyo kami ng Ash Blossom Quarter Century Rare. Pangatlo na ba guys? O pangalawa? Di ko sure ah. Red Eyes Flare Metal Dragon, Egyptian God Slime na secret rare, Warlord Savage Dragon, very good card guys. Another Baronel Deplore na ultra rare guys. Oh my goodness. And Ancient Fairy Dragon. Oh my goodness. So pangatlong beses natin nakukuha si Baronel guys. Dalawang ultra rare and isang super rare guys. Yun yung nakuha natin kay Baronel. We got Dark Ruler No More again, Fossil Dig, Nightmare Unicorn na ano ba to? Ultimate rare to guys ah. Nightmare Unicorn na ultimate rare. Whoa, wait. Hold up guys. Hold up. Summon Limit. So nakakuha tayo ng sa isang pack, nakakuha tayo ng Collector's Rare na Ultimate Rare na Nightmare Unicorn. And kasama niya sa pack na yun si Infinite Impermanence na Ultimate Rare. God pack ba to guys? God pack to. Pwede ba mangyari yun? Oh my goodness. Ewan guys. Dalawa guys. Oh my goodness. That's pretty much it guys for that pack. Sabay nating nakuha dalawang Ultimate Rare na card guys. Si Nightmare Unicorn and si Infinite Impermanence. Oh my goodness. Anyway, last pack na tayo guys. We got Ghost Trick, Angel of Mischief, Ghost Bell and Haunted Mansion, Danger Jackalope, Lava Golem, ang unang card nating Lava Golem, and Herald of Arclight. That's pretty much it guys para sa ating 24 packs na 25th Rarity Collection. Oh my goodness. So ito guys yung nakuha nating 25th Century Rare guys, 100th Century Rare guys. Preparation of Rites, isa-isayin lang natin. We got Compulsory Evacuation Device, and Triple Tactics Talent. So, tatlo yung nakuha natin. Not sure kung ilan dapat siya sa box. Kung 4, 2, or 3. Anyway, we got Collector's Rare naman na Tri-Brigade Revolt. Pollen of Albas. Dito siya. Pollen of Albas. Change of Heart. Ito guys, Change of Heart. And Artemis, the Magistus Moon Maiden. And another Ultimate Rare naman guys. Numeron Dragon yan. Compulsory Evacuation Device, Infinite Impermanence, and Nightmare Unicorn. So, that's pretty much it guys. Ayan na nakuha natin sa ating 25th Rarity Collection. So, sana nag-enjoy kayo guys sa The King of Games is always saluting you guys. Gotcha! That was a fun duel guys. Thank you so much guys.